So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set your background image on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your Zoom desktop application, and then you guys can see in the top right corner this settings icon right here. Now just select it and you guys will get on this window. Now you can see there are a bunch of options. Now select this option that you can find here, which is called background and effects. Now you guys can see there are a bunch of options which are available to you, and you can just select any of them. I'll go with this one, and now you have just selected. Now you can even try it out by just starting a meeting. So guys, as you can see, now you have entered in a meeting. Now just select this start video button right here. So as you can see guys, the background image is all set, and that's how you guys can be able to set your background image on Zoom application. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.